wonder why we say bless you when someone sneezes? It's not just a polite habit, it has an interesting history. It started in the 6th century during the bubonic plague. Pope Gregory once suggested people say, God bless you after a sneeze. Why? Because sneezing was thought to be a sign of the plague, and the blessing was meant to protect them. Back then, some believed sneezing could mean your soul was escaping, or evil spirits might enter. Bless you was to keep bad vibes away. Today, we know sneezing just clears irritants. The tradition stuck, and we still bless each other. Next time you hear a sneeze, remember, we're continuing a 1400-year-old tradition. Pretty cool, right? If you found this interesting, like and subscribe for more curious facts.